Okay, I'm cutting these away here right now. So this one I cut right over on that side. Now I'm cutting the back one away. So I already cut a couple times here. So basically I cut down the center and I move it over 150 thou each time and I cut another one. So I'm just cutting away real quick. You see how the cutter just lightly touches right there. Bounces into it. Or it's when I touch off, it leaves a mark. Same thing. Alright, so that was 300, let's go to 450. 450. Cut off a little bit. There, let's give it a couple thou extra. Cut it. 450 the other way. $4.49 plus and minus. Cut it all the way through. Boom, like that. So we're uncovering the old drain back hole, which is here. We don't care, it just drains out right there, who cares. Okay, I'm gonna do it again, do another 150. So I'm gonna take it to 600 now. 600, right there, close enough. Keep this back a few thou. Go down and do this one. Touch it off, cut it again. It's a lot quicker than doing that by hand. It looks a lot better when you're done. Fluid right there. Get a few thou extra. Right down there. Oh, I touched the dowel pin. And right there in the dowel pin. On my cutter. Right there, that spot. Okay. See, that knocks almost all the machining out. I do this very light grind right there. I gotta go down about 150 thou down. 200 down this diameter, and the cylinder will drop right on like it's supposed to. No fancy machining. No fancy CNC machining. Okay, we're gonna do another 150. Be 750. Yeah, 750, dumbass. Close enough. Okay, I'm gonna come down, touch this off again. It's very important, you gotta touch it off. Sure. Okay. There. 750 this way. Okay. So this one we're done on this side. This one here we got more material still to go. So we got 2 more cuts here it looks like before that's all out of there. So that's an easy hand drill set by hand with a die grinder. Take much effort at all to do that. Okay, we're at 750, so we're going to 900. And we gotta move everything back again. Now we're getting higher up in a circle, so I gotta pull back further than we were the first few hits we did. Let's start pulling this thing back probably 40, 50 thou at least now. It's gonna get worse, not better. Yep. Clear at 35. 3 thou extra. Okay. Got 150 now. 1 inch 50. There. Big handful back. Still hitting. Couple extra thou. Okay. Still cutting heavy. Might have one more to go. Yeah, I think we're good enough on that one. We could have got one more on this one over here too, but just knocked that off the die grinder. Okay, so it looks pretty good. Just finish up with the die grinder, we should be fine. I'll have to knock this edge down here a little bit also. We'll do that with the die grinder also. Alright, so that cylinder is pretty much done. So now I gotta flop it around the other way and do the next one. Alright, let me jig it back up, we'll come back. Okay, got the second one squared up now. I got my depth stop kind of set a little bit. Go down to a touch. And you can see how it's just real close up under there. Should be fine. Probably have to go a little more than we are. This will shut off before it gets that far anyway. Okay. Got everything zero. What the hell happened there? What happened? Did I bump into something? Something's wrong. What the hell happened here? That was a zero. You're back. Gotta double check something.